Hello friends, today in this video we are going to talk about how to update software on Samsung Galaxy A05. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all you need to go your handset setting. Just tap on settings, and when you tap on settings, a new interface you can see on your screen like this, and tap on after this tap on software update. You can also search software update by type software update at the searching bar, which is at the top of the screen. When you find the software update option, just tap on it. When you tap on it, there is a new interface like that you can see on your screen. Here just tap on download and install. Okay, when you tap on download and install, you can see a new interface like that. Here you can see this is for the handset is checking for updates. It takes some times. When it is completely done, you can see your software is updated. Okay, so that's all in this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please hit a like button. Thank you.